Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this fall makeup look. This one is actually more on the traditional side of what I would think of when I see fall tutorials versus my first fall makeup look. So I thought it would be a really good switch up. This of course isn't my last fall makeup tutorial. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys this lipstick, which is from Grande Cosmetics. This is actually their plumping lipstick and it has a satin finish. It also has the plumping effect that is going to make your lips appear a bit larger, as well as fill in the fine lines of your lips. Grande lipsticks also have a 3-in-1 formula, so it gives the hydration of a lip balm, pigment of a lipstick, and it also has the transformative feature of a plumping lipstick. So all three of those in one, and it is a gorgeous color for the fall season. So if you guys want to see this entire look and how I paired it with this lipstick from Grande Cosmetics, then just keep on watching. All right, let's get started with another fall tutorial. I'm pumped. It's still like 100 degrees here. I don't know if it is where you guys live. Let me know actually what the temperature is right now where you guys live, because it is still incredibly hot and I'm like, it's September, can we hurry this up? I'm tired of sweating. So I'm going to start with the Tatcha primer, and like I told you guys, this stuff makes your face so smooth. Just gonna apply this all over, and I'm actually gonna let this sit a little bit because I find when I let this primer like marinate into the skin, the foundations go on a lot better than when I apply it and then immediately apply the foundation on top. So that is what I'm going to do today. I don't know why I just sung that. And also, I just got a fan in this room. My dad just put it up and now I feel like it's making a lot of sounds, so excuse that, but it's about to be fall time so I won't need it soon. So I'm gonna let this set for a few minutes and then I will put on foundation. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. Now I'm going to apply the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation, and I've been using the shade 61 in. Even though this shade is a little bit light for me, I just like it better than 71 in. I don't know, just 71 in is a little too dark, so I really should get 70 in or something in between 61 in and 71 in because there's other shades too. But I don't really feel like going to the store to get it when I could just use this one. If the weather ever cooled down, it's possible that this will be my match in the fall time when I lose my tan. But this primer and foundation duo is so nice. Like, my face literally looks flawless with this duo. Okay, and for concealer, I'm going to use the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer. Okay, for powder, I'm going to use the Covergirl Trublend Minerals Powder. I normally use the banana, but I want to try translucent and see if I like that. I already know I like banana, and I already know I like the powder, but I haven't tried translucent. Whoa, that was a lie. I did not mean to get all that powder. Oh my god, does this have shimmer in it? I think it has shimmer in it. It literally has shimmer in it because it's like clinging right here. I don't know what to do. Oh my goodness, that's like one of those only use a little bit. Now we know that that has shimmer. I don't think the banana one has shimmer. I've never noticed that it has shimmer, so I don't think it does. Oh my goodness, it just looks strange over here now. Like right up in here. I'm going to spray my face with some spray and hopefully that helps. I'm going to use the Cohl Herbal Spa Mist. So for bronzer, I'm going to try this. I got this at Sephora inside JCPenney to try out. I've never tried Benefit Hoola bronzer, I don't think. I don't think I've ever tried it because I always thought the packaging was weird. Like, how can I fit my brush in there? I just never understood it. Because of that, I'm going to try this little brush that comes in it and apply it on the skin. And I kind of feel like it always looked light to me, like it wouldn't show up. Oh. It showed up really good. Maybe I've been missing out. Look at that. It is actually showing up. I've been missing out all these years. That's crazy. This brush, of course, is small enough to fit in here, but it's like breaking. is shedding. I would have to try it with my own brushes. I am pleasantly surprised on that. Oh, and I forgot to say the spray actually helped mesh the powder into the skin, so it looks a lot better. But still, I probably won't be using that powder anymore because it has shimmer in it, and I would rather have a matte powder to set my concealer. So I did my brows off camera and I didn't do them right. So please, let's just ignore that. I can't get it perfect every time, so it's all right. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suit. It's a liquid eyeshadow that I just used as an eyeshadow base. Just apply that on the lids and then blend it out. Okay, so for eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to be using the Buxom Boss Babe Betty palette. Now, you guys saw I used this in my first impressions makeup tutorial I posted a few weeks ago. That this palette was so pretty and just awesome. So I'm going to be using that in this look. First, I'm going to go into the shade Invite Only, which is the transition color in the palette. And I'm just going to apply this to the upper crease area as well as in the outer corner of the eye. Okay, so for the next shade, I'm going to go into the shade Crazy Rich. Right there. I'm going to use a MAC 242 brush, and this is like a flat brush that you guys can get, and it's just gonna help you kind of carve out the crease shade really well because it's so like thin and flat. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with that first shade that I used just to blend the edges of this shadow. It's necessary that you do this step just to make sure everything is seamless. Okay, and here is the fun part. I'm going to take this shade right here, and it's called Unapologetic, and what I'm gonna do is do basically the reverse smoky eye look. As you guys probably saw in the title, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put that as the title, but I'm just going to basically go in with this dark brown. And I would say, like, if this is your first time going dark, you probably should use a dark brown over black, probably something a little bit even lighter than this if you feel like this is too intense. And the way I like to do it is I like to go in with most of the darkness on the outer corner and then kind of blend it towards the front. And I'm kind of winging it out here and connecting it to the top. And I'm gonna go in with my finger and help blend it even more. And then right after that, you want to go in with the transition color you used at the top to blend out the darkness that you put down there. Now you can use the same brush. Just make sure you wipe off the product so that you won't like cross contaminate the colors. And here's kind of like before and after. This one is just a bit softer than this side. And then in the waterline, I'm going to apply the Neutrogena Smoky Kohl eyeliner, and this is in the shade Jet Black. And this is gonna kind of tie that smokiness together. And if you want, you can kind of dust it on the lash line as well. All right, and then I'm going to go into the shade Gold Status. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, Gold Status, and apply it to the inner corner as the highlights. So for lashes, I'm going to apply the Lash Label Icy Lashes, and I'm going to apply these off camera. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Revlon So Fierce mascara. Apply this to my top lashes to blend my real lashes in with the false lashes, and then of course on the lower lashes. Good thing about having a smoky lower lash line, you don't have to really be careful with the mascara. I always seem to make a mess. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to use this blush from Wet n Wild, and it's called Mellow Wine. I just felt like it goes really well with the transition color. Like, it's pretty much the same exact color. Okay, and now for the lip color. So as I was telling you guys in the beginning, this lipstick is a hydrating plumping lipstick, and it also has skincare benefits. So it helps to nourish the lips and smooth the fine lines in the lips, which is really awesome. It's not one of those lipsticks that will gather into the creases of your lips. What I'm going to do is I'm going to line my lips first with a dark purple lip pencil, and then I'm going to apply the Grande plumping lipstick in the shade Wind Down. and it is of course like a wine lip color, which is one of my favorite lip colors for the fall and winter. So this is the gorgeous lip color. It is so pretty, and you can feel the plumping sensation just a little bit. It isn't hardcore at all, and like I said, you cannot see the lines on my lips. It really just fills them in, and it looks smooth, and I really like the formula of this lipstick. It goes really well with the fall eyes we have going on. And I almost forgot to highlight. I'm going to go in with the Persona Cosmetics Cali Glow highlights in the shade Zuma, and then to finish off, I'm going to use the Grande Herbal Spa Mist, and that completes the look. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating this lip for you guys. I think it is pretty much perfect for the fall season. So if you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and also subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.